that's too big. It needs to be this size.
What?
It needs to be this size.
Oh, okay.
There should be another one in there. Here, take this one so you can compare them. I still need that long one back whenever you come back, though. No, that's not it. Yes. Just good job.
Thank you. Where'd you put my phone at?
Your mom's talking with it. John make chicken.
Huh?
He's making chicken.
Cliff is?
Yeah.
Oh. So how is he making the chicken?
In the oven.
Get that chicken.
Did you still coming over here?
Oh,
maybe.
snap. I forgot one. Sorry. I got a line over here that I need to disconnect. Oh no.
Grandpa Danny. My father-in-law plays a song on the saxophone. He knows how to play the saxophone really good. Hopefully it doesn't pick up and copyright.
It might. Maybe.
Somebody's watching. Where's watching?
What's up?
What's up and hello.
Appreciate you watching. We're just gonna, if you're just joining us, we're doing a top rebuild on this 2005 Z71.
Do the comments
GMC.
come up on the screen?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they should.
they should.
If you have the comments turned on.
And right now we're pulling off the intake because I done pulled off the fuel rail and all that. It's just I got one of the vacuum lines over here on the throttle body. I'm trying to take off so I can pull the intake off. Yeah.
It's not no one.
Truck's old, so I don't want to bust I don't want to crack the hose. On a tight budget, you know what I'm talking about? Little dog. This has been